Fortunately, changing a tire is a pretty simple task, provided you're prepared and willing to exert a little effort. Find a flat, stable and safe place to change your tire. You should have a solid, level surface that will restrict the car from rolling. Apply the parking brake, and put car into park position. Wear a warning vest. Put a warning triangle behind the car. Take the spare wheel out of the trunk. Before using the jack, lightly loosen all the bolts on the wheel. Now place the jack on the marked place and lift the car so that the wheel is in the air. And now you can completely remove the screws. Remove the tire. Support the car with a broken wheel. Place the spare tire on the hub. Take care to align the rim of the spare tire with the wheel bolts, then put on the lug nuts. Tighten the nuts by hand until they are all snug. Lower the car to the ground fully, and remove the jack. Tighten the nuts as much as possible. Put the old tire in your trunk, and take it to a mechanic.